tracksuit. It comes with shorts. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to TOYOMUYIWA. You already know what's going on. You already know what the vibe, you know. Anyways, excuse my uneven buns. I don't know how to act because like this was last minute and it's still cute. This video is going to be a bit different. So I basically filmed myself washing my actual hair. It was a film. It was a disaster. Like, I almost started crying in the video because I thought I had to cut my hair. You guys, the one job I had was to wash this stupid hair. I couldn't do that. I couldn't wash my hair. You guys, don't worry. You're going to see it through the video. I'm going to give you guys commentary on the side, just like telling you guys what's going on. Because like, when I watch this video, I just feel sad. Like, wow. Let's just get straight into the video. Let's get straight into the video. This is how I thought my hair washing video would be. This is how it came out. It's my fault. Clown. I'm a clown. But anyways, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Subscribe now. Turn on the post notifications. That's the most important. Turn on the post notifications so you know when I post. Don't just be coming on YouTube and then that being recommended. You want to join the family. You want to get that notification when I post. Babes, don't sleep. Don't sleep on it, babes. Don't sleep on it, babes. So these are the products I use to wash my hair. My friend puts me on. So this is the Garnier's Fructis, what's this? Butter Rich Sulfate Free shampoo and conditioner. The conditioner is very good. That's why I keep buying the product, honestly. The conditioner makes my hair very soft. It actually does like wonders to my hair. You guys, first of all, just know I'm a liar. I just remember like now that this conditioner, I've only used it on wigs. I've not used it on my actual hair. That's why like I was saying that, oh my god, it makes my hair so soft. Nah, it makes my wigs. I didn't deep that my hair is different from wigs. So the conditioner, just keep watching. It's not good for black people here. Just know that now. So my hair is very tangled, as you can see. At the beginning of the video, I tried combing out the hair as I went, but that didn't work out because my roots are very like due. My roots are very due. They're due for relaxing, so it's harder to comb, and my scalp honestly hurts when I'm trying to comb it. So I'm going to add some conditioner and try and comb my hair out. Can I say I'm a clown? I was too lazy to detangle it while losing my hair. So I decided to add water. I didn't know water made it worse. I didn't detangle my hair. As it is, I entered the shower. I'm already in the shower, but like, as it is, I just like, You guys don't understand how sad this video is. Like, you don't even understand like the pain. Just keep watching. With water on it, because I feel like it's easier to comb when water is in the hair. I said I feel like it's easier to detangle when underwater. Where did I hear that one from? I feel like I was just winging it in the video. Like, I didn't know what the fuck I was saying and I was just talking. Cause that's cap. Even when I'm washing wigs, like if I put water, it just gets worse. So I don't know where I got this logic, but like, God help me. Like, God, this video is so sad. Just keep watching. But honestly, let's just see how this goes, because this is going to be a very stressful video. I already started having issues. Can you see it? Can you see? This video is so sad. Like, you guys, I don't deserve my hair. Honestly, I don't deserve my hair because the way I treated it in this video, like, I'm getting emotional. Like, it's just bad. Imagine I had to cut it after growing it again. Please. Nah, I need to do better. Even now, I need to take care of my hair more. And I'm going to interrupt again until the end of this. Tell you what happened at this point. My hair got tangled like a sponge. Like I couldn't put my finger through it. Like it was just a big sponge. Like my hair looked like rubbish. Like rubbish. Like rubbish, you guys. Like I don't know why I did this to myself. My hair looked bad. You guys, you'll not believe the rubbish I've been through for this hair. I had a mental breakdown. Actually, I probably didn't cry, but like I've actually been so sad. This hair has been making me sad. So like I tried washing my hair, as you saw in the last few clips. That didn't work out for some reason. This is my first time this is happening to me. But anyways, I had to go and meet my friend that does hair. I went to meet her yesterday. She helped me detangle my hair. My hair actually got into like a sponge. You guys don't even want to understand what I've been through with this stupid hair. But anyways, forget that. So today, I told her that I wanted to relax my hair. So now I'm leaving my place now to go and relax my hair. I actually need to film today, like with my friends today, this evening. Hopefully, I get back in time. I need to relax my hair. So I'm going to her place now to relax my hair. So let's go. I'll record. I'll show you guys the process. Let's just get straight into it. As you can see, I'm happy now. Follow at Fran's Hairstyle on Instagram. She's the one that does my hair. She makes units too. So if you want to buy a wig, you want to buy like good bundles, follow her, check her page out, like see what she's about. But like yeah, she does hair. She'll be doing my hair most of the time. She's also going to be coming out with her website soon, so stay tuned. That she's the one that's doing my hair in the video, so yeah. So you guys, that's the video, that's everything. Hope you had a good laugh. That's if you even found it funny. But like, thank you for clicking this video. My hair details will be in the description box if you want to like know where I got it from. The details to what I'm wearing to this tracksuit. It comes with shorts. It's from, I don't even know how to pronounce the name, Marie. The link to this two-piece will be in the description box. So yeah. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you're doing. Why are you watching this? Why are you still watching? Why are you still watching if you're not subscribed? Okay, thank you for clicking this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up! Comment hashtag bad hair day if you got this far in this video. Comment hashtag bad hair day. Okay, bye!